Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Thomas Creations and more. For today, I will be working on my challenge for Dear Julie. Remember that challenge about the assembly line journal making? Well, today we will be working on 9 tags. Now, the point to doing this journal in assembly line is to show us that we can actually do an assembly line, and it helps us make journals faster. So of course the requirements are just like in the other ones, that we had to decorate. Well, in this video is going to be tags, but we have to decorate with 3 things. So I pre-prepped, and let me zoom in, and I have 9 tags. It really should be 8, but I decided, like Dear Julie said she was gonna do, is to do 9, so then I'm left with 3 tags, or 3 of each things for each journal. So I have tags, and we were to put decorate with at least 3. We could use more, but at least 3. So I have chosen a piece of lace, these little words that I had, and then I put some diamond painting gems that were given to me by Debbie Hicks. Hi Debbie, if you're watching, thank you very much. And then I'm going to be using some Dollar Tree sparkly ribbon. I mean, not ribbon, trim. Okay, so I'm trying to see right there. Okay, so let me take a seat. And so since I pre-prepped, I have everything ready, and I used the same thing. Dear Julie suggested that we try to use the same thing or similar things on the tags, so that you can sit down and make them fast, right? I'm going to try using this glue, and this glue is from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to need some fabric tack. Alrighty, so I need the fabric tack first. So my thinking behind this is that I'm going to put this one, I think, here, and then this eyelash trim will go underneath there. So to save me time, I'm going to do it on here first, which I'm going to put some fabric tack on there. And for those crafters that don't know, like I didn't know at one time, fabric tack is made out of acetone. Thanks to one of my viewers for telling me when I posted my video. You could see it here on my channel. It says a fabric tack warning. The warning is, if you have fresh manicure and you use fabric tack, it will eat through your nail polish. So I glued it to the back, and so now this is ready to put on there, and now I can use this one instead of the fabric tack. Well, actually, I should just use the fabric tack, because it'll be easier, because I'm going to have to put some of that on the trim. And so now I'm going to put this down here. Kind of hold it down, especially where to trim it. And then the piece of lace, I'm going to kind of fold it, not kind of in half, but then you put it to the side, so that when you cover up your little hole, you'll have 2 tails. Now you could staple it, or you can actually make the hole, punch the hole out, and put the lace through there, but you use more lace that way, and it won't stay as flat as if you put glue on it like I am here. Oops, it's sticking to my finger. Okay, so one is done. I'm going to put that aside. Grab my other one. So it's just a different kind of word. And I placed the little gems differently. Different word, and some of them will have the blue and some of them will have the baby pink. So again, I'm just going to put this down. And you know, it really does help doing them this way. When I was prepping for the video, usually I will pull out, you've seen me in my other videos, I will pull out my scrap bin, and then I will pull things I'll need, and usually I'll fill this little side tray up and my little bowls up with whatever I might need. And because of the rule of you have to use at least three things, so hold it in half, turn it a little bit sideways so you can get the little tags, kind of hold it down. Oops. It helped when I was going through my stuff to decide what I was going to put on the tags itself, because then I said, okay, well, I'm going to put lace, and then I started looking at my scrap bin, right, because I usually start there, but I didn't have the same size of lace, or I didn't like the colors. Then I remembered I had just bought some stuff from Carla, and I went through that and I found a piece. And what I did for the first time is I actually measured it, and then I said, well, I have 9 tags. I measured it, kind of figured it out, and so I cut a piece of the lace, which ended up being 3 inches, and then I just cut it, and so I had my 9. And the same thing with the eyelash trim. I trimmed it before, right? I was prepping before, the same size as the word, and then I just decorated with a gem. So I had that already, and there's 2 done, and it seems to be working really, really, really well and fast. It takes the guessing and saying, oh, what I'm going to use, and I have everything on my table or my desk here, and which is okay, you know, you're creating, but it does where did I get this from? It came with the other one. It adds to the cleanup later. And so it makes it easy to pick out your things, because you know I knew I needed 3 things, and either all the same or similar. So there we go. Here's another one that I'm going to put it over here to the side so it could dry. Okay, and this is the next one. And then it also helps, since the stuff is pre-made, not pre-made, pre-selected, and I cut it out before. So all I'm doing on this video is really concentrating on talking to you, right? Walking you through and letting you know what happened throughout the planning stage. versus trying to figure out, wow, the video is going, what I'm going to use, let me clean the tip. What I'm going to use, I'm trying to cut it and trying to deal with it. So the prepping really helped, but what really helped was knowing that I needed at least 3 things for it to be similar. If not, ready? Let's grab another one. And so as you can see, it's going really fast. If you haven't noticed, the journal I'm making has a Christian theme. It's going to have butterflies again. One of them is going to be my September devotional journal that I will be using for my scripture writing. It has butterflies, which I love, and I really like the way the kit is. These are, I've used these before, guys. If you are a regular to my channel, I've used these tags before. They're freebies from creativeartandsoul.com. You can go and get the, that bug is bothering me. Okay, there we go. And get the details there. And I also bought the kit that went along with a freebie called, I think it's called Butterfly Journal. To be quite honest, just melted some of my nail polish off. Just gotta be careful because since it's pink, it'll melt off pink. And since I'm using the Fabri-Tac glue to glue things down, it really grabs fast, which is also helping the process go fast. Okay, this off to this side. Just grab the other one. We've done 6 already. It goes fast. So I'm really enjoying this process of doing assembly line. Journal. It's making everything go faster. And at the end of this process, I'm going to have 3 devotional journals. One will be for my personal use, and the other 2 will be up for sale. So if you're interested, let me know because there'll be 2 up for sale. First come, first serve. And it will also serve if you want to join me in September to do my scripture swap. Scripture writing. Right. And we can do it together if you like, or you can give it as a gift. Up into the lace. Okay, I'll use this one. Everybody's asleep here. It's very late at night. Can't sleep. My back's hurting. I decided to do some crafting. Film ahead of time. Sometimes I can't do videos because my back is hurting, or I can't come on because I've taken my meds. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, this is the last one. That was nice and quick. And so I hope that you're seeing that it goes quicker than on my other videos. Because like I said, I prepped before I got everything together, and it was all, I cut them off. And then it's just a matter of gluing, because really I'm not thinking anymore, right? And since the only thinking I had to do was I had to get 3 things similar, it helped a lot in the prepping. And I am using up my things, guys, because also, if you remember, it was don't buy anything, just use what you got. And that's what I'm doing. I had already pre-bought the lace from Carla, and I was just waiting for it to come on. And so I almost used all that piece of lace. I only have that left over. I only have this little piece left over. So let me show you the 9 tags that I did. Around 15 minutes by the time I got settled. And those are my 9 tags. Aren't they pretty? I think they are. Here, sorry about that. They're similar, but different at the same time. They're very flat, so they won't leave bulky in the journal. I just love them, and I love the way this comes out. Fast, easy. They're similar but different. Look, right? Look at the same lace, and they all have little diamond painting little gems, and then they have the words, and then the little eyelash trim. It gives them just a tiny little sparkle, so that maybe the person could write on here a scripture or a word or something. They can also, it's double-sided in the back. I printed this in the back so that they could journal in the back as well. So thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Any questions or concerns, just let me know in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have a great day. Bye guys. Happy crafting.